What are some of the things that we said at the beginning of the show, Kimberly, about the obvious headline things? Someone was harassed, mistreated, sexual harassment, pay disparity is something we're hearing about. Are those cases the kind that come up in your practice as well?
Very often. We have a lot of sexual harassment cases coming through down the pipeline. The most important thing to remember when you do have some sort of sexual harassment issue is to make sure you're using your employer's internal grievance policies first so that they are aware of that sexual harassment. And employers, it's important for you to make sure that you do have some sort of sexual harassment policy in place and that your employees are aware of that and that they know how to address those situations when they do arise.
So it might be that an employee is shocked, surprised that someone has harassed them in any way, and they might go, well, I need an attorney, and they might. But start out by going to your HR person. Is that what
Correct.
you recommend? Find out what the policy is and what the grievance process is.
Exactly.
If they satisfy you, that may be all you have to do. But if they don't, then that's when you take the next step.
Correct.
And what is that next step? What do you do initially?
So the next step would usually be to file an EEOC charge with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. That is a prerequisite in order to file suit in federal court for any sort of Title VII claim or Section 1983 claim that you might, Section 1981 claim that you might have. So you've got to make sure you do that first. Once the EEOC does their investigation, then they'll give you a right to sue letter, and you'll have 90 days from receipt of that letter in order to file suit.